Hi students, today we are going to start uh, electric current part 5. So as you know, last class we have completed. So that is a relation between the electric current and potential different. So now we are discussing about Ohm's law. So it is a Ohm's law. So as you know, it is the definition of Ohm's law at constant temperature, at constant temperature, at constant temperature the current flows through in a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference, is directly proportional to the potential difference across two ends is called potential Ohm's law. So at constant temperature, it current flows through any conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. Current flows is directly proportional to the potential difference. So it is a Ohm's law, as you know. So here V is equal to I into R. So V is equal to I into R. So here R is equal to what we'll write, V by I. R is equal to V by I. So it is a constant. R is equal to V by I is equal to constant. So as you know, so we'll take for example one manganese or any conductor. So conductor like a metal, as you know. So here we are connecting with battery and one switch and one ammeter, and here it is manganese or copper or silver and or iron, any if you take. So here we are taking manganese metal, so connecting here 1 volt. Okay, that means potential difference. So now switch here having that. Now it is a closed circuit or open circuit. Now switch will be off, so that is open circuit. So now switch will be off, that is a open circuit. So when what will do here, the switch will be on, the switch will be on, so that is closed circuit. In this current pass through the positive terminal to manganese and negative terminal of the battery. So the electric current flows through positive terminal to this manganese conductor through negative terminal of the battery. So here now switch will be on in this case. So first so here the switch will be on. In this situation we are measuring potential different and electric current. Okay, and another one is here will take one battery. Okay, first we'll take one battery. Just now next we'll take two batteries. So means capacity, source capacity will be increasing. Now switch will be on in this case. So switch will be on, we can measure that potential difference means V and as well as I. So two batteries, and now next one is three batteries. So in this situation now switch will be on, measuring potential different and electric current. So in these three cases, one see here in this situation. So the relation between the, so first one is serial number, that is 1 2 3 in this case. So it is potential different and the electric current is relation R is equal to V by I. So here first V is equal to how much, that is a 1.5 volts battery. How much current? 3 amperes. Then what will do, R is equal to 1.5 is divided by 3. We'll remove this 0. 15 ones are 15 twos are. So what we'll get, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 again. And next the batteries sources capacity will be increasing. So in the here two batteries, 2 batteries means 3 volts. So the electric current is 6 amperes. In this case, R is equal to 3 by 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So this 1 by 2 means 0.5 ohms. And another one is 3 batteries. 3 batteries means 4.5. In this situation, 9. So R is equal to what we'll do? So 4.5 is divided by 9. So here we'll remove this 4.5 on the 2 za. So this 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 ohms. In these three cases, R is equal to how it is? Constant. So in this situation, R is equal to V by I is equal to constant. Constant how much? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Hence, each and every time the value is constant. So the value is constant. So this is known as Ohm's law is verified. Ohm's law is verified. Okay. First the definition. The definition at constant temperature. Temperature అనేది ఇందులో కాన్స్టాంట్ ఉంటుంది. So it is current is flows through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across two ends. So we will proportional will remove, we are writing one constant, that is R is variable. R is equal to V by E is equal to constant. So here we'll take one manganese, it is conductor. So it is connecting one battery switch and ammeter and voltmeter. So now switch will be off, in this case the open circuit. Now when it is switch will be on, so that is closed circuit. The electric current pass through the positive terminal to the conductor and manganese conductor and through the negative terminal of the battery. So in this situation, how many batteries here? Only one battery. So here that is we are measuring potential difference and electric current in this case. So here electric current we are measuring from the potential difference. So we'll take the source will be increasing, 2 batteries. Now switch will be on, the potential measuring potential difference and the electric current. And now batteries and 3 batteries. And the switch will be on, in this case we are measured potential difference and electric current. In this all cases we are obtained. So each and every time value is constant. So then Ohm's law is hence verified. So Ohm's law is verified. So here what is the difference between one cell? So means 2 or more than cells, that is called battery. ఒకటి ఉంటే దాన్ని సెల్ అంటాం. అదే సెల్లో 2 లేదా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? బ్యాటరీస్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ R is equal to V by I is equal to constant, then Ohm's law is verified. Thank you. If you like this video, share, don't forget subscribe. Thank you.